Hello everyone, I'm Bitcoin Guide, your dedicated chart analyst. This is today's market analysis video. If you subscribe and hit that like button, you'll be able to receive all the latest information as quickly as possible. Oh, this is the analysis post from yesterday, April 23rd. It was the sky blue finger short and long switching strategy. Before I explain today's strategy video, let's first take a look at yesterday's analysis video. Let's look at the screen. After switching from the sky blue fingered 78K short to a 77.2K long position, we regrettably didn't quite manage to touch the upper peak of 78.8K. Therefore, today's strategy is directly connected to and continues from yesterday's 77.2K long position entry point. This is our strategy for today, is the long position strategy. Specifically for April 24th, I have quite a lot of important information to explain to you today, so please make sure to pay close attention and check everything. On the bottom left, I've kept the long position entry zone, which I entered yesterday at 77.2K, connected exactly as it was, indicated by the purple finger.
Here's the current screen.
We are going to be observing two distinct types of movement here. This will occur specifically with the first purple finger section, which is located at the very top. The first scenario is if it successfully touches the 78.1K level. The second is if it fails to make contact and immediately comes back down. After confirming the touch on section 1 at the top, the red finger 77.1K long position entry area, the stop loss is if the green support line breaks and the upper 79.2K long position's first target was hit. Then over the weekend, the good zone's 80.9K second target. By Sunday, our third target is set for 82.8K within the grade section. Please keep in mind that movements in this particular pattern could potentially emerge, so it would be good to take note of this. In the event that it fails to touch section number 1 and immediately drops down, the entry point for a long position at 76.1K in lower section 2, the stop loss if it breaks the green support line, and the upper target price will all be the same. We're looking at 79.2K, 80.9K is a good level, and 82.8K would be great if Bitcoin can reach that by the weekend. Should there be a strong upward movement by Monday, you'll find a gap 8 zone located just above the grade level. Beyond that, it has the potential to ascend towards the miracle 85.1K mark, possibly reaching a maximum of 86.8K. Please keep these potential levels in mind. The core of today's strategy is it's about whether the 12-hour chart MACD dead cross is actually going to happen or not.
You're not finding it difficult, are you, if you take another look at the current screen?
The reason I've specifically marked these purple parallel lines for you is that if the price manages to rise without breaking out of this particular range, we could potentially see a very strong upward movement that completely ignores the 12-hour chart's MACD dead cross. Also, if the green support line is touched just once and then it drops, or if it immediately falls and that green support line is broken, then it could potentially fall to the lower bottom zone of 75.6K. It might even drop further, all the way down to the 74.9K level, which is the third zone, by the weekend. Therefore, you really need to exercise extreme caution. Above all, the Nasdaq's movement is crucial, so please pay close attention to it. We'll bring today's strategy discussion to a close right here for now. I wish you all a very pleasant and enjoyable weekend, and I look forward to seeing you all again next Monday. By hitting that subscribe button and giving us a like, you'll be able to receive the very fastest real-time information every single day. Thank you so much for watching and for your continued support.